In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Microsoft account on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Or instead of doing that, you can also install the applications like Outlook, Teams or OneDrive. After you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your Microsoft account via those apps. If you have opened the browser, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in account.microsoft.com. Search for it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Microsoft. You can see over here you'll be able to sign in to your account. Tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials. If you want to access other sign-in options, simply tap on this option sign-in options. Now you'll be able to see other sign-in options over here. If you want to enter your credentials, simply enter your email, phone or Skype over here. Now once you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you can get a code to sign in to your Microsoft account. For that, tap on this option send code, or you can also use your password. For that, tap on this option use your password. After you do that, you'll be able to enter your Microsoft account password. If you selected the option for code, what you have to do is simply open the Gmail on your device. Now you can see over here Microsoft has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to see the code. You can simply copy this code or memorize it. Now after you do that, go back to the browser. Now over here what you have to do is enter that code. Now once you do that, wait for a while. Now after you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Microsoft account on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.